Hey guys, welcome to ARK Survival Evolved. I'm Narwhal Hunter, and yeah, the game's glitching. Okay, I can finally hear now. So today, as you can see, we've been playing a lot, and we already got so much stuff. And I want to surprise you guys with something inside. I don't want to show you it yet. Okay, it's right here. Ready? Bam! You got a fabricator, and I had to deform the house in order to get it in here. So yeah. I also got Rexy, my new T-Rex. Say hi, Rexy. Rexy. What if I can sit on top of Rexy? Nope, okay. So we're gonna go, and today we're gonna do something. Well, I don't know what to do today. I think we should make actually, I wanted to make a restaurant like Etho is making, but now that I think of it, I'd rather do that later. And I think we should go look for a cave after this drop drops. What are we gonna get? Aww. Boo. But the hide's a little useful, but the rest I can easily get, so. Aw, darn it. I was really hoping we could get something nice. Well, anyways, let's go look for a cave. Or maybe we can spawn in the broad mother. I mean, I already spawned in all the materials. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Where are we gonna go? There's another drop. Nah, that's a white drop. White drops are the worst. Hey, look, it's another parasaur. This one, to be honest, looks better than mine, but it's not as high level, probably. Here, I need to feed him. No, he's got a perfect amount of food. I don't get how he keeps leveling up like crazy. It's so weird. It's like a glitch or something. Like, I remember the max level was supposed to be 120. When I found him, he was 120. So I tamed him. And then for some reason, his level skyrocketed or something. Wait, is that a blue drop? Or is that a drop? I think it's a blue drop. Well, in that case, let's go. Oh, there's a Spino. Better watch out. Okay, guys, we gotta stay careful. Stay away from the Spino. I don't want to deal with another one of those. It's a long story. Raptors. There's raptors too. Are you kidding me? Quickly. Come on, even saddle and kite helmet. Okay. Run. Run, 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 run. Henry! Henry! Yeah, we get so much. We got Henry and everything. And Rexy. We just did a lot, and I'm sorry you guys missed it, but I was recording, and for some reason, it kept failing to record. But now, I hope this one doesn't fail. So let's do this. There's a lot of Quetzals. Let's go check out this thing. I've never been in one. It looks pretty cool. And I also want to see what we need to summon the Broadmother thing. I've always wondered how to summon, what are they called? Ow! Ow! What is it? What's attacking me? Oh, darn it! Don't worry, I'll save you, Henry! Where's Henry? Henry? Did Henry die? Oh, never mind. Phew! That was a close one, Henry. Let's get out of here. I don't care about that, bro. Oh, broad mother thing. Let's just go look for a cave. Just look for a cave. We're in a swamp right now. That's nice, I guess. Yeah, I want to find a safe place to land to charge up his stamina. Like, it's stamina pretty good, but for some reason it's really slow. I don't know why. Well, my weight is actually pretty high right now, but he should be able to carry me. I'm sorry. And what level do you have to be to get a yellow drop? Let's find out. Hopefully this place is a little safe. Doesn't seem like there's anything. There's a circle, and that seems like it's pretty much it. Hopefully that's true. Let's go get us a drop, and nothing could kill us. Okay. This rock is lagging. How are we supposed to do this? Henry! I'm so glad I have Henry. I know there's a few mosquitoes around, so that's not good. Ah, you're kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Henry! Good boy. We'll just forget about that one. Let's go for the yellow. I have no idea how level you have to be. Like, I'm level 47. So I'm hoping I'm high enough level. Hopefully. Hopefully there's nothing bad around here. Doesn't seem like it. Doesn't seem like we have to land on a rock either. Oh! Yeah. But yeah, look at that. That was actually pretty nice. I could use a gun blueprint. I didn't want to waste my engrams. No one likes wasting engrams. Hopefully I have like a bunch of spawned engrams. Can you spawn engrams? I wonder if you can. Henry just pooped in midair. It's hilarious. Why you gotta be so slow, Henry? Gotta get some metal. And that was a little laggy. Getting a little laggy. Where are we on the map? Oh, we're far away from home, guys. Really far away. So this better be promising. Oh, and it is. Ho ho ho! Suda. And I got some rare mushroom too. We're a little encumbered. Let's drop some items. Don't need all this flint. And how do you make a cooking pot? How much? I want to see if they're valuable. I haven't even learned the engram yet. So I'll just get rid of the air. No. I'm just gonna hope that's enough for now. Well, we did get a lot of crystals, so let's just get a little bit of metal and then leave. Because we don't really need that much crap. Actually, we don't need all this crystal either. We already have a ton, so maybe we can move. Maybe. Henry! Henry! Oh, he's all the way over here. Okay, let's get serious. We don't really need a paintbrush because we're not really going to paint crap. We don't need all this hide or chitin. We don't need raw meat. We can easily make narcotics. We don't need a turtle saddle. We don't need all these seeds because we don't really need berries anyways, so let's get rid of all of that. And spoiled meat, really, I don't really plan on taming a scorpion, and it'll probably spoil soon anyways by the time I get home. So, I forgot how to poop there, push C. Let's go home, guys. We're going the wrong way. Let's go home, guys. We're still going the wrong way. Okay. Which way is it? Man, I hate these maps. I gotta go land soon. But I hope wherever I land is a good, safe place. So where's the volcano prior to us? It's right there, okay. So we actually want to go further from the volcano. So let's just go this way and hope for the best. That music though here. I'm gonna land on this little mountain. Please don't attack me. Any baddies? So far nothing but I spoke too soon. Is that a T-Rex or a Carno? That's a Carno. Let's just land and hope for the best. That's a Carno right there, isn't it? No, I'm gonna attack this guy. Okay, I'm wondering if they attack back. Yep, they attack back alright. Alright. So it's trying to kill me right now. It's gonna fail. Alright, let's go home. Let's just go home. So guys, I saw about 4 T-Rexes and I hated it. And I couldn't really land anywhere, but I always managed to land somewhere to regain stamina, but I didn't really have to do that very often, you know, because his stamina is freaking awesome. Look at that, there's base. Right there. It's a nice base. I'm sorry you guys couldn't see the building of this. You only saw some of the building. Okay, and land. So right now, I landed wrong. There we go. I'm gonna unlock this, just in case there's a glitch that occurs. And you know, no one wants that. So we're back home now. Got our little raft and everything. Let's make a smithy for a raft. Actually, let's make some walls for a raft. Wooden wall. Let's make a stone wall. Need wood and stone. I'll get the stone first. Let me just load off my inventory really quickly. No, I don't. I'll just put it in a refining forge. Sup, refining forgy. Let's get you some wood. Need some food from our little fire. And I want to test something. If I place a foundation here, can I still drive my raft? No, okay. Alrighty. So I guess I have to keep it like that, and then just ride it around. Okay. And then rafty. This is where I'm gonna put all my storage units and everything like that. So let's go get some wood. As you can see, we kind of demolished the forest here. Yeah. I think 78 is enough for 71 metal. Let's go do that. Nuke, get out of the water. Or not. Actually, I want to make a Megalodon saddle, so... Megalodon saddle. Nope. I know there's a cementing paste somewhere in one of these chests. Yep. Just what we needed. Alrighty, now what else we need? Fiber and hide. Oh, I threw away all that. I threw away all my fiber and hide. Go kill the parasaur. So my bow will be my kill machine, so it'll kill the animals. My crossbow will trank them. Yeah, let's just go with that. Come on. I know you want to die. Who doesn't want to die? I mean, dying is fun. Right, Perry? Parasaur? Hey, aren't you Poopy's brother? Yeah, aren't you? You are. That's gonna suck for him. Poopy! Poopy's brother is gonna die. Darn it. Oh, he's stuck on a tree! Yes, yes. Yay. We're also a little dehydrated, so we gotta get some water. Let's go over here. Why was my torpor going up? That's weird. Stamina. Oh, I think it was my stamina. I don't know. Stop for a little bit for it to go all the way up. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna need a lot more hide than that, I think. Let's see. Yep, Okay, let's just call off on the Megalodon thing, and we'll do that later. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my cementing paste in the mortar and pestle. You know, why not? And right here. And so then we're gonna get a ceiling. I want to test something with wooden ceiling. Actually, maybe I can test it with these right here. Can I add on to this? Oh, I can! Oh, crap. Okay, I gotta do it perfectly then. I don't have enough for another floor, so... Wooden foundation. Where is it? Right there. So we need fiber. Oh, great. Let's go get some fiber. Those little lines on that house up there are so annoying. Am I seriously burning to death? Here. Hyperthermal insulation -8. Oh, great. Oh, cool. We made one. What else we need? I knew it. I knew we'd need wood. Let's just go wood cutting right now. You're hot. You should find a place. Yeah, I know. I'm hot. I'm gonna get heated up to death. I don't know how to get rid of the heat, but I guess we just gotta deal with it for now. So. I remember when um the Winter Wonderland update when you just couldn't get hot unless you went inside a cave or something. It's awesome. Or unless you're covered by like 50 campfires. I'm just gonna work on that. Oh yeah, level up. Movement speed's going up. Just make a thatch foundation because you know it's way better. Actually, no, that's a bad idea. Let's just stick with wood. Okay. I guess that's a okay place to place it. It's actually pretty good. Why? Is it because my storage box? Great. I forgot about that thing right there. The wooden foundations might be a little tall. Demolish. An apple place? No. Are you kidding me? Holy cow. Why is it so glitchy? Alright, but this is alright for now, I guess. Oh! It's because of the foundations. Let's make sure it'll move first, actually. Oh, great. There. Maybe it'll work now. Yay! It works. Actually works. Stop! Ugh, I'm just gonna place it there. I guess that's good. Now let's test this thing out. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Our own little moving house. That's what we're gonna do, guys. That's what we're gonna do today. Guys, I know what we're gonna do today. And it's stuck. Don't hit the spikes. Don't hit the spikes. Good. Okay. Whoa, this thing's a little too fast. Okay, so we're gonna want a door for it. That's the first thing we always build, is the foundations and then right to the door. And maybe I'll place these and destroy them for the wood. We don't need this either. Now we're gonna need a wall. Oh, the storage crates. Always the storage crates, aren't they? You would think I would have learned my lesson by now. I always have problems when I build. It's just my thing. Hey guys! I finished the house. Yeah. And, well, I can easily move to any shore. That's the good thing. Why won't it let me on the in my house? Okay. That's weird. Just keep trying. I think it's because of this window wall, of course. There we go. Okay, we'll just... You know what? It's better if we just do this. So demolish all this stuff here. And then I make 2 of these. And I place both, because I don't really need a door. You see? Oh crap, no. I need a little bit of wood, so let's go wood hunting. Yeah. And it would be cool if they had like an inventory inside Rafty, but they might add that later. I don't know. You should. Really should. Man, Rex just scares me for some reason. It's like, ah, there's a T-Rex. There's also Meggy over there, the Megalodon. She's pretty scary. Huh? Yeah, okay, this is our new house. Guys, how do you like it? Of course I mess up and do something stupid. How you like it, guys? Isn't this just awesome? And now we're gonna put a smithy on her and everything, and maybe even a fabricator. And all that beautiful crap. And it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be legendary. Yeah, it's gonna be legendary. Right, well, until then, see you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Narwhal Hunter out.